Hello friends, welcome back to English Fluent Forge. I'm Tom and today I want to take you on a special journey. This is a journey that almost every English learner dreams about. The journey from being a complete beginner to speaking English with confidence and fluency. Many students ask me, Tom, what is the best way to learn English? Should I learn grammar first or vocabulary? Should I watch movies, read books, or speak more? These are very good questions. But the truth is simple. If you try to learn everything at the same time, you will feel confused and tired. That's why today I will guide you step by step. I will show you a clear path from the first day of learning English to fluent English. Think of learning English like building a house. You cannot live in a house without a strong foundation. You cannot decorate the house before building the walls. English is the same. Step 1. Build a strong foundation. Every house needs a strong foundation. If the foundation is weak, the house will fall. In English, the foundation means basic words and simple sentences. You should not start with difficult grammar. You should not start with fast conversations. Start with simple, useful English. Imagine you travel to an English-speaking country. You go to a cafe. What do you say? I want coffee, please. That's enough. You don't need long sentences. Now imagine you are lost. You ask, where is the station? Can you help me? Simple English works. At this level, you only need 500 to 1,000 common words. With these words, you can survive in daily life. Do not worry about perfect grammar. Do not worry about mistakes. Focus on important words, simple grammar, daily expressions. When you do this, something amazing happens. English starts to feel easy and real, not scary. How to build the foundation. The secret is repetition. Listen to simple dialogues again and again. Repeat sentences out loud. Practice slowly. Try shadowing. Listen and speak at the same time like an echo. Mistakes are okay. Mistakes mean you are learning. Do not rush. Build your foundation strong. Step 2. Build the structure walls. Now you have a strong foundation. But you cannot live on the foundation alone. You need walls. This means more vocabulary, more grammar, longer sentences. Before you could say, I go to the market. Now you learn, I went to the market yesterday. I will go tomorrow. I am going now. Now you can talk about past, present, and future. Your English world becomes bigger. Balance is very important. You need input and output. Input equals listening and reading. Output equals speaking and writing. If you only listen and read, you understand but cannot speak. If you only speak without listening, you do not improve. So do both. Listen to podcasts. Read short stories. Write a few sentences every day. Speak with friends. Shadowing is very powerful here. Slow first, then faster. Soon sentences feel natural. English stops being a school subject. It becomes a real language for you. Do not be afraid of mistakes. At this stage, many learners feel frustrated. They understand a lot but still make mistakes. This is normal. Mistakes mean growth. If you can tell a story in English even with mistakes, you are doing great. Be proud of your mistakes. Step 3. Sound natural and fluent. Now you can communicate well. Next goal, sound natural. You focus on pronunciation, rhythm, intonation. Instead of speaking word by word, you learn to flow. What do you want to do? Becomes, what do you want to do? Your vocabulary grows naturally through reading, listening, real conversations. Grammar becomes automatic. You don't think. You just speak. English becomes part of you. Final message. This is the journey from beginner to fluent English. Build the foundation. Build the structure. Improve fluency. Live in English. Do not rush. Do not skip steps. Learn slowly. Learn every day. Fluency will come. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, and listen again tomorrow.